What's up guys, No Nonsense Chris with No Nonsense Real Estate. What to do before and after series. One of our newest finished renovations is in Fort Myers. It's a pool home. House was built in 1958. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, just under 1,600 square feet. And this was a full renovation from top to bottom, fully permitted. This particular video is gonna focus on behind me, which is the kitchen. When we first acquired this house, this was a completely closed off kitchen. So right here where you can see the open kitchen island was a solid wall. There was no island. It was a drop ceiling with headers. So it was very dated, it wasn't functional, and it was completely closed off from the rest of the house. So the first thing we did is we knocked the wall out. What that did instantly is it opened up the kitchen to the front entry, the living room, and the dining room. Then we took those drop ceilings and the headers and we raised it to truss height. Now all the ceiling heights connected all the way through. It just made it feel bigger because the ceiling height was now at the right level, and it allowed us to bring in larger cabinetries to get much more storage in the space. So not only did we create a beautiful island here, one level, which everybody loves, and it's the main gathering spot, now we're able to get more storage with higher cabinetries and really bring the space to the next level. We went with white shaker cabinets, soft close. We brought in our cabinet crown and we installed it at a height where it wasn't all the way to the ceiling because we wanted to put the crown molding and do upper cabinet LED lighting, which you can see right there. Then we brought in our quartz counters. Quartz right now, even though it's a higher end material, there are some quartz options that are much more affordable and allowed us to go ahead and raise the bar with the finishing level and not break the bank. And then of course, we came with our clean subway backsplash that we even brought all the way around the window and up top to give a nice clean, long-lasting modern look to tie all the elements into the space. You can see above me, we brought in the recessed lighting, and of course we crowned the entire main living, so we're able to crown all the way behind that as well. So we took this dated kitchen from 1958 and we brought it to modern day standard. The last aspect we did, of course, was stage it. While we didn't really go all out because we had furniture from another job that we've been running through each of our houses for staging purposes and marketing, even doing these little elements right here made it show better. Brought nice light in and made it photo better. And at the end of the day, we took this kitchen to the new modern day standard and it came out incredible. Stay tuned for further videos on other before and afters of this home.